Hi everybody, welcome back. This is John from Stout Tanks and Kettles. We have another box from our warehouse today that we are going to open up and see what we have. We have some Y fittings, a curved Y fitting, a standard Y fitting, and a lateral Y fitting. Okay, the Y fittings are very useful anytime you're creating a diversion or a branch in your flow. The advantage of the standard Y fitting is you have a concentric division of your flow, so the liquids will go off at equal volumes, assuming downstream pressures are the same. They'll go off 45 degrees each angle. The curved Y fitting is really nice because you essentially come off at a 90-degree angle. It also has a concentric division, so you're going to get an equal flow both directions. And lastly, we have the lateral Y, which this is really useful if you're in various applications. One is if you're injecting something into your stream, you can come in through your lateral here. If you're actually going this direction, you're going to probably get a little less flow coming out of this, assuming, again, equal downstream pressures. This is a very useful tool as well. We keep many of these in our warehouse and online. Come in and check us out. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.